God, that right look like him want jump out too far. He might reach up in a dog.
I gonna lean him. Fuck. Yo, make sure dress back in. Cause you come like you want to bum buck that rat jump out.
Like, so
How far the man a jump?
you come do it. Do it now, man.
I pound a stick you should have pound him with, man. You're not ball, I'm not getting a lick. Pussy, ya.
You see him?
Yeah, me. Come on. Let me say I pound a stick you should have
No,
used.
man.
So, come on. Not cold. See my buckle. I'm not dead, you know? I'm not dead.
Alright, you know, him didn't get that. Him not live.
Dog unconscious.
See my kick there.